and welcome to Northeast Media Hub, the fastest growing digital media platform. I am Adalbert Khar with the latest Hub news. Be informed, be alert. After years of sweeping education reforms, Meghalaya has recorded its biggest ever jump in the National Performance Grading Index, rising 2 grades to Akankshi 1 for the first time. The state credits the achievement to teacher reforms, school rationalization, better infrastructure and stronger training programs, marking a major milestone in its effort to transform school education. As Meghalaya accelerates its digital healthcare push, health workers in Riboy have been trained to use new digital platforms for immunization and anemia tracking. The program aims to improve real-time monitoring, strengthen data quality, and ensure more efficient delivery of essential health services for pregnant women and children. As Shillong looks to ease congestion, the Meghalaya government is preparing to begin the phased relocation of street vendors starting with Lajmkra. Officials say the relocation plan for the area is expected to be finalized within days, while suitable sites are still being identified for hawkers in other parts of the city. In a breakthrough that could transform water purification, scientists at IIT Guwahati have developed an algae-based material capable of removing over 66% of toxic lead from contaminated water. The eco-friendly technology offers a promising alternative to conventional treatment methods and could pave the way for more sustainable solutions to tackle heavy metal pollution. In a unique bid to boost tourism, Majuli, the world's largest inhabited river island, is set to introduce a London-style double-decker bus. Expected to debut during the Ras Purnima celebrations, the bus will offer visitors panoramic tours of the island's scenic landscapes and centuries-old satras, blending Assam's rich cultural heritage with a fresh tourism experience. Fresh flash floods have inundated parts of Arunachal Pradesh Lohit district after heavy rains, damaging homes and triggering rescue operations. Around 40 houses were affected as authorities evacuated stranded residents, while the IMD has issued an orange alert warning of more heavy rainfall, flash floods and landslides in the coming days. In a major boost for the Northeast cultural landscape, acclaimed Naga singer-songwriter Alubo Naga has been appointed director of the Northeast Zone Cultural Center for a 3-year term. Best known for promoting the region's identity through music, he will now lead efforts to preserve and showcase the diverse cultural heritage of all 8 northeastern states. In a major push for development in Manipur's Senapati district, Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand Singh reviewed key projects and approved the construction of the Rikhuri multi-purpose dam, which will supply drinking water to 27 villages. During his visit, he also assured support for horticulture, skill development and other local initiatives after interacting with community organizations and residents. Tripura is bracing for another spell of intense monsoon weather, with the IMD forecasting heavy to very heavy rainfall over the next 3 days. An orange alert has been issued for 4 districts as authorities warn of possible waterlogging and localized flooding, urging residents in vulnerable areas to remain on high alert. In a major push for environmental conservation, Sikkim has launched the ambitious Mission Million Oak Trees by 2047 to restore native oak forests and strengthen water security. Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang said the initiative will boost biodiversity, tackle climate challenges and encourage people across the state to take part in protecting Sikkim's natural heritage. Thank you for listening to Hub Podcast. For latest news and updates, follow us on www.hubnetwork.in. Download Hub News app in your mobile from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. For promotion and publicity, write to us at info@hubnetwork.in. Thank you. Kublai Shibon Mitela.